Hello and a very warm welcome to Mangoletsi. We've been part of the Cheshire community for over 50 years and are here for all your motoring needs. Our showroom and after sales facility is located on London Road, Olostock, close to Knutsford, and we're surrounded by beautiful Cheshire countryside. So when it comes to experiencing any of our exciting new cars or one of our Primo Mangoletsi used cars, you're sure to enjoy the open roads during your test drive. We're the longest established Alfa Romeo dealer in the UK, something we're so proud of here at Mangoletsi. We always hold great stock levels of all the models in the range in our beautiful showroom just outside Knutsford. If you haven't experienced the sporting drive of an Alfa Romeo, please do come along and see us and take a test drive. Jeep is an iconic American brand and all the models in the range look absolutely fabulous. The new Jeep Compass has arrived and is available with hybrid technology, meaning you can enjoy four-wheel drive road holding while looking after the environment. We also have the ever-popular Wrangler here in stock, and the very exciting all-new Grand Cherokee will be arriving later this year. We love Fiat at Mangoletsi, and so do many of our customers too. The ever-popular Fiat 500 continues to be enjoyed by local drivers, and now we have the Fiat 500e, a fully electric vehicle, and it's a personal favourite of mine. Perhaps you're thinking of making the switch to electric. We'd be delighted to chat through all the options and benefits of electric vehicles with you over one of our amazing coffees. Or please do visit mangoletsi.com and take a look at our Mangoletsi EV Plus section to find out more. For those sports fans amongst you, we have the Abarth range here at Mangoletsi too. The Abarth Performance House was founded by Carlos Abarth in the 1960s when he modified Fiat models to make them even more nimble and competitive to motorsport. If you haven't experienced an Abarth, please do come along and see us. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. As well as our European and American brands, we're also home to Suzuki, one of the most popular Japanese manufacturers in the UK. Suzuki represent fantastic value for money, as well as high levels of equipment as standard. The latest models in the range all utilise hybrid technology, which makes them great performers. That's both in terms of driving experience and fuel efficiency. The latest model, our all-new S-Cross, has now arrived within the showroom, and I'd really recommend this brilliant car to those needing extra room and comfort. The most recent brand to join us here at Mangoletsi is MG, and what a brand! Our customers have immediately taken to the compact MG3 hatchback, the crossover MG ZS, and the luxurious larger SUV, the MG HS. Electric vehicles are available with MG too. The MG5 estate car and the MG ZS EV are disrupting the market based on their amazing performance and pricing. There are also some very exciting models on the way, so please do come and meet the team as soon as you can to find out all the latest news, or again you can visit us at mangoletsi.com. Of course, not everyone is looking for a new car. Well, here at Mangoletsi we have over 300 Primo Mangoletsi used cars available today. Each and every one of our cars is fully prepared in our workshop, so you can drive away in confidence and you can see our full inventory again at mangoletsi.com. You can reserve or buy online at mangoletsi.com. Our website will talk you through the very simple process to find and secure the right car for you. When it comes to maintaining your car, we have a team of technical experts here at Mangoletsi. Fully trained by each of our brands and equipped with the best diagnostic equipment, I believe there's no one better to look after both you and your car. I can promise you a very warm welcome. Our professional team of service advisors can look after you in our comfortable waiting area or provide you with a courtesy car so you can leave your car with us for the day while remaining on the move. You can contact us by calling on 01565 722 899 or drop us a message via mangoletsi.com, or follow us on social media by simply searching Mangoletsi. I hope we can welcome you at Mangoletsi very soon.